Iranian authorities said 3 people had been killed as anger at the death of a woman detained by the morality police fueled protests for a 5th day, and fresh restrictions were placed on social media. Official sources now say a total of 7 people have been killed since protests erupted on Saturday over the death of Amini, a 22-year-old from Iranian Kurdistan who died last week after being arrested in Tehran for unsuitable attire. Reports from Kurdish rights groups said 7 protesters had been killed by security forces in or near the Kurdish areas in the northwest where unrest has been particularly intense. Officials have denied that security forces have killed protesters. With the protests spreading to over 50 cities and towns, authorities restricted access to the internet, according to accounts from residents, and internet shut down observatory net blocks. Amini's death has unleashed anger over issues including freedoms in the Islamic Republic and an economy reeling from sanctions. Women have waved and burnt their veils during protests, with some cutting their hair in public. A top aide to Supreme Leader Ayatollah Ali Khamenei paid condolences to Amini's family this week, promising to follow up on the case and saying Khamenei was pained by her death.